Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Monday, July 6th. I thought I would do another work week in the life. I've been pretty busy lately leading an audit, and it is already the end of the workday. Just kind of been rocking the natural look, no makeup, don't really do my hair. It's kind of what I do most days unless I have like a team meeting or I actually get out of my house. Those days are very rare. But I did get my nails done last week for the 4th of July, looking super festive. I thought they did a really nice job, and I had a really fun time celebrating over this past weekend. But today was just back to work. It was kind of a slower Monday. I had a couple meetings, had to respond to some review comments for my planning, and yeah, it's now the end of the workday, and I am making some dinner. I am just throwing in some pre-made chicken breasts, and I will use the remainder of those this week for salads. I'll just probably eat one right now. I've also got my quinoa going over here. I know that looks kind of gross, but you're supposed to let quinoa, like, I don't know what the word is, but you put it in water and it like removes the outer grain. So you do that before you boil it. My Dunkin' coffee from earlier that I did not finish, and then I'm gonna make some Brussels sprouts. I don't really know if I like Brussels sprouts, especially like frozen Brussels sprouts, but I'm gonna try them today. I've really been trying to eat very healthy during the week at home because I really have more time and can do that. So yeah, we're gonna just make some dinner, probably go for some sort of indoor run later because it is pretty dang hot. I think I want to try to go to some like spin classes this week, just to kind of get out of the house and everything. It's been just, you know, a lot of staying at home and not really doing much, but that's just kind of life and what's up for this week. I hope you guys will consider subscribing if you're new and give this video a thumbs up.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boys, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth. So here we go again, here we go again. You're trying to buy me drinks, and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya?
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar.
So this is how it turned out. I just dipped my chicken in ketchup to give it a little more flavor and waiting on the quinoa to cool down. Okay, so I'm gonna try this Brussels sprout for the first time and see how I like it. I'm kind of nervous. It's not bad. I like it. I didn't even season it with anything. Tastes like broccoli to me. I give it a thumbs up, especially for a vegetable. It is Tuesday. I'm rocking a tank top because it's so freaking hot. We have our status update for my audit, so I'm leaving that meeting now in like 3 minutes, and then I have a call with my manager to talk about some things. I went out and got a quick Starbucks. The in-stores aren't open, which is so annoying. I wouldn't have ordered it because I had to wait forever in the drive-thru, and it got like all like melted too because I ordered it like so early and I had to wait in the drive-thru, so that was kind of annoying. But that's just really been my Tuesday. Still working on my audit and just trying to make it through to the end of the day. Back at my favorite place. Sorry if you can hear my air conditioning blasting. It's really hot. Just went to go get a Starbucks during lunch because I just needed to get out of my house. Otherwise, I would go absolutely crazy. Polling question for you guys, some food for thought. If you're in a relationship, does your significant other text you either consistently? Sorry, I was gonna go to Painting with a Twist and out to eat, but now I don't know if we're allowed to go out to eat because that's Pennsylvania.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what
Quick update on life. I'm getting ready for a meeting to show someone on my team how to use our new system that we keep all of our audit information in, and then we have a walkthrough. And then tonight I'm actually going to the winery with my friend, and I'm super excited. Actually, in one of my previous vlogs, the vlog before COVID, the same friend and I went to the same winery, and I haven't seen her since then. So I'm really excited. Something to look forward to tonight, some plans. You can sit outside at the winery, so everything will be safe, but that's just like all I need, just like little things like that. So kind of in a lot better of a mood right now, and I'm just ready to get through these few meetings and kind of wrap up everything that I need for the end of the day, and then get ready and go out tonight. Trying to finish up my work and eat some pasta salad before I go get ready. My meetings went pretty well, and I'm just trying to respond to some review comments from the director for my planning sections, and then all 3 sections will be signed off. So super excited about that, and super excited to put on some makeup. Wow, what a concept. I'm going out tonight. I think I'm gonna wear my Lily Pulitzer dress because it's fun and it always puts me in a good mood. So I'm actually ready, curled my hair, put on makeup, and in my Lily Pulitzer dress. Okay, you guys, I'm signing off the vlog right here. I'm kind of really obsessed with my outfit. I'm wearing this little layered necklace from Loft that I got for like $10.99, and then this is the Miranda Fry, is it the Jackson or the London? I don't know, but I just ordered it and I'm obsessed with that. And these are those 2 pieces from my express haul. I'm going out for some outdoor dining in this restaurant in Pittsburgh. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. I will be back more and trying to vlog more frequently. Thanks for making it to the very end, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I belong to you. I belong to you.